Imagine charging your smartphone in just 17 minutes. That's exactly what Vivo's Y400 5G offers, along with a stunning 50MP ring camera and next-gen 5G performance. Ready to know why this could be the perfect smartphone for you? Vivo is redefining the smartphone game yet again with its latest release, the Vivo Y400 5G. Packed with premium features like a revolutionary camera, lightning-fast charging, and a powerful processor, this device is here to impress. Let's dive straight into what makes this phone stand out. The Vivo Y400 5G features a massive 6.7-inch punch-hole display, delivering crystal-clear visuals with a full HD resolution of 1080 by 2320 pixels. What sets it apart is the buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring seamless scrolling and gaming experiences. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or multitasking, the vibrant colors and sharpness are guaranteed to wow you. Plus, the in-display fingerprint sensor ensures both convenience and security. At the heart of the Vivo Y400 5G is the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor, a powerhouse that handles everything from day-to-day tasks to high-end gaming without breaking a sweat. Paired with 5G connectivity, you'll experience blazing fast downloads and lag-free streaming. Choose from 3 RAM and storage options to suit your needs: 8GB 128GB for casual users, 0.8GB 256GB for moderate users, 0.12GB 512GB for those who need serious storage for photos, apps, and games. This phone takes mobile photography to the next level with its 50MP primary ring camera. Whether you're shooting in daylight or low-light conditions, expect stunning clarity and detail. Supporting this are a 32MP ultra-wide lens for group shots and landscapes, and a 16MP depth sensor for portrait perfection. Selfie lovers will adore the 50MP front camera, designed with AI enhancements to ensure flawless shots every time. And for video creators, 4K video recording capabilities turn this phone into a pocket-sized studio. The 4500 mAh battery is built for endurance, giving you all-day power. But here's the game-changer: Vivo's 120W fast charging technology. In just 17 minutes, your phone can go from 0 to 100%, perfect for those busy days when every second counts. Whether you're a traveler or a multitasker, this feature ensures you're never left hanging. The Y400 5G combines elegance and innovation with its sleek body and unique ring camera design. Available in multiple colors, it's as much a fashion statement as it is a tech marvel. The premium finish and lightweight build ensure it feels just as good as it looks. While the official pricing hasn't been revealed, the Vivo Y400 5G is expected to be positioned in the premium mid-range segment, delivering incredible value for money. With a launch window between February and March 2025, this smartphone is set to shake up the market. Here's a quick look at what else the Vivo Y400 5G has to offer. Audio experience: 6 speakers with crisp sound quality. Smart connectivity: ANC 4 with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Advanced safety: lane keeping assist and pedestrian detection for your digital life. The Vivo Y400 5G is shaping up to be a game-changer in its segment, offering unmatched performance, stunning visuals, and groundbreaking charging technology. Are you excited about this upcoming release? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech.